Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Is your iPhone power button refusing to work? Let's troubleshoot and explore some workarounds. Let's dive right in. The first step is to use the assistive touch. Go to the settings app, then you go to accessibility, then you click on touch and select the accessibility touch. Turn it on and use the on-screen button to power off your phone. Another step is to force restart. If your screen is unresponsive and you are using an iPhone 8 and newer, press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button and press the side button until the Apple logo appears. And for iPhone 7 and below, hold the volume down button and the sleep wake button until the Apple logo appears. And the next step is to update your iOS. Go to the settings app, then you go to general, then software update and install any pending update. You should also inspect the button for physical damage. If the button feels stuck or doesn't click, check for debris and gently clean the area around it. If the button is physically damaged, professional repair may be necessary. And that's how you deal with a faulty iPhone power button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.